I think I might have figured out why US lawmakers are buying fertilizer stocks, and if I'm right, it's not good. In the last month, Congresswoman Virginia Foxx purchased shares of Mosaic and CF Industry 4 different times each. And these are two of the biggest fertilizer producers in the US. Now, the reason that this is such a big deal is because Bloomberg recently released a report stating that 70% of fertilizer production has been halted in Europe because of energy cuts. If you didn't know, the process of making fertilizer is incredibly energy intensive. And to put it into perspective, to produce 1 ton of fertilizer takes 11.3 gigajoules of energy. 11.3 gigajoules is equivalent to 3,138 kilowatts of electricity. And the current market rate of 1 kilowatt is 15 cents. So 3,138 kilowatts times 15 cents comes out to $470. And when you consider that Mosaic sells 1 ton of fertilizer for $970 on average, it tells me that energy is one of the largest factors in its production cost. And when fertilizer isn't being produced, crops aren't either. But at the end of the day, people need to eat. And honestly, with the way energy is going in Europe right now, I don't see European production restarting anytime soon. So what's the solution? US-based companies like Mosaic and CF Industry need to step up production to meet demand, and Virginia Foxx knows this. So if you want to see what else she bought, just search QuiverQuant and click on House Trading. And as always, thanks for watching.